Welcome back to Midday in Kansas. Today we have been celebrating National Breakfast Month with a bunch of delicious recipes. And we got one more for everyone, and that is these muffins. How do we make those?
These are, I can smell the orange from
me
here.
too.
That just says spring, I guess,
Yes.
even though it's fall, but it's just that freshness. And these muffins would be great for breakfast, or you could have them any time of day, really.
Yeah.
Muffins are so easy to make. We're going to start out, I've got 2 cups of just all-purpose flour in here.
Okay.
You're going to add our sugar, a half a cup of sugar, and then we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda, just a little salt that is in with that. And then this is our orange zest.
The part that smells so good.
So good, doesn't it?
We're
going to add it now.
use this.
And the reason is because we have all that zest. And by stirring it in now, that's going to kind of separate it with the flour.
Okay.
And so that we have it in every bite. Then over here, what I'm going to do is blend our liquid ingredients. And I've got 1 egg there that I'm going to add. And then we have more orange juice, a half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of another of our soybean products. This is vegetable oil. And that's the only ingredient in vegetable oil is soybeans.
Okay.
And then a half a cup of vanilla soy beverage. We're going to just mix those all together to break that egg up and give our liquid ingredients. And this is a great recipe for kids to make. It doesn't take a lot of equipment. And if you want to get your kids baking in the kitchen, muffins are a good way to start.
Yeah, and they just love mixing things,
They
right?
do, exactly. Now, I'm going to have you add that, and this is a cup of granola cereal. And if you have granola at home, this just adds a little crunch. See how that will mix that in there? Mix that in there, and you just want to mix it until you don't see any flour, because we don't want to overmix the muffins. And then we're going to put those in our muffin cups. I like to use the dipper. This will make 12 muffins, and put that in there. Grease your muffin tins first and then bake them at 400 for just about 15 minutes. Take a pick and make sure they're done, and hey, you've got muffins that are great for breakfast or for any meal that you have.
Yeah, fresh out of the oven tastes great, but
Yes.
also later on in the day, if you just want a snack, grab a muffin.
Exactly, that's right.
All right, so where can people find this recipe?
Yes, they should go to our website at kansassoybeans.org. They'll find all 3 recipes that are there. They can also call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN. And if they'd like nutrition information, then just let us know and we'll send them some of that too.
All right, perfect. National Breakfast Month.
National
Celebrate
Breakfast
with us by making all of these delicious recipes. Thank you so much, Charlene.
Thank you, Alyssa.
All right, now we're going to send it over to Doug Myers for your final forecast.